Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can make a screenshot on your Motorola Razr 4D, and for that you have two options, and the first and probably most common one is to just press the power on and off button and the volume down button at the same time, and you saw it made a screenshot now. Now you also have the second option, and that is to put 3 fingers on your screen for like a second, and then it also makes a screenshot. And when we now press on that screenshot or go to our gallery and click on the screenshot we just made, we can go ahead and crop it, we can write on it, put filters on it and stuff like that. Let's go to our photos actually, and here you just need to go to your screenshots, choose one and then say edit. And here you can just put filters on it, crop it, adjust it, and stuff like that. So that's how you can make a screenshot on your Motorola Razr 4D. I hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.